Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Yes Teacher, and in today's tutorial we will see how we can fix error you can see on the screen. So error says service unavailable and HTTP error 503. So this error is coming into IIS server and I have this application here and it is running. So even if I restart this and try to browse, then I am getting this error. So guys, if you are facing the same error, then one thing what you can see is you have to right click on the application and go to manage website and advanced settings. So you have to check the application pool of your website or project. So it says of in API. Now you have to go to the application pool here and you have to check the name which was in the advanced setting of your application. So that said Ovin API. Now you have to check here that if the application pool is running or not. Okay, so currently it is not working, so we have to start this, and once it starts, now we will go to the application and we will restart the application also, and then we will click on the browse button. Okay, so this time it will work and this will not give the service unavailable message. So this fix you can try for fixing the error, and if this works for you, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. So thank you guys.